So in this video, I'm going to talk about filter settings and choosing what profiles and what data you're actually seeing on the app. And I'm showing this on the mobile app, but all of this applies in exactly the same way on the web app. So if you're a first-time user, you're going to open the app and you will see a bunch of just public data on the app. So it's going to show you all data that was created with the public privacy setting from anywhere in the world. So, right now I can click on profiles and, this one I think is from an island, maybe in Antarctica or something. And this one, might be from Canada. And, depending on your use case, like most people, you probably don't care about profiles from all over the world. You care about profiles in your area. You care about profiles you created or your organization created. So you'll want to use the filter settings. So in the top right corner, this little filter button brings up profile filters. And there's a couple things here that are important. So I'll kind of go down the list here. This who setting, this is who created the profile. So if I have it to all, it could be from anyone in the world. Anyone's data, that if anyone has data shared publicly, you're going to see it. You means just myself. And then Propagation Labs, this is my organization. So if you have a pro account and you have logged in with an org, this will show all data created from anyone within your organization. Next is time filter. So it's pretty basic. If I have it all the way at the right, it's only showing me data created in the last 24 hours. If I have it all the way to the left, it's going to show me data created all time. So depending on your preference there, let's just go to last month right now. Observation type. So the SnowScope app can be used for a couple different kinds of data. It can be used for, manual snow profiles, the traditional snow profile you record. It can be used for SnowScope probe profiles. So this is our hardware device that measures automated snow profiles. Snow height measurements. So these are simple measurements for just recording snow heights. We use those for the community snow observation projects. And this air one you don't need to worry about. That's kind of an admin setting. So I'm going to leave it on SnowScope and manual profiles. Next one, maximum distance away. So right now I have infinity, so that's why I'm seeing, data from Antarctica. But, maybe I only care about profiles in my local area. So let's go, 31-mile radius. And then I have an elevation filter. So if I only care about, profiles from certain elevations or certain aspects, I can do elevation aspect. And then finally, the layer filter. This isn't a filter per se. This is for highlighting profiles with certain layers. I'm not going to get into that right now because that's a bit of a more advanced feature, but those are sort of the filters. So if you set filters, so right now I changed this, right? I set just to my organization. So now I'm just seeing profiles from my org on the main screen. And I'm also seeing manual profiles and SnowScope profiles. Maybe let's say I only want to see my SnowScope probe profiles. Change the filter to that. And let's go back to manual. And maybe I do want to see, profiles within my general area. I can go to all and I can see some more profiles from other people in my general area. The other way to view profiles is on the map, of course. So if you go to the map view, a couple things that will be different. You won't have that distance filter because you're only seeing profiles on whatever part of the map you're on. But the time filter becomes a little more relevant because it's only going to show profiles within that time on the map. If I increase my time here, it's going to bring me up quite a bit more profiles. And I change my filters, I can see even more. So use the filters if you're overwhelmed by the data to, kind of hone in on the data you care about. And then if you tap on something on the map, you can obviously see it on the bottom or view it big. That's the filter overview. One common mistake people sometimes make is they pull up their app, they don't see anything, and it's usually a filter issue. So always check your filters to make sure you're looking at the data that you actually care about. Thanks for watching.